Okay, so we use this little device right here called a crucible quite a bit in chemistry. The great thing about a crucible is that we can get it really hot without this melting. The problem with it, though, is it's kind of easy to crack. So there's a couple of things that we're going to talk about with this little crucible. So this is called a crucible, and this is a crucible lid, right? So first of all, we really want to make sure we touch the inside of this as little as possible, because the oils from our skin can actually cause this to eventually crack. So we want to be really careful, like not touching the inside of this. Plus, we have no clue what's been inside of that. Looks a little nasty in there, right? So anyway, when we go to pick up a crucible, right, we can use what's called a crucible tong. Right? That's what these are for here. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can use them, but the easiest way to use it is we flip it upside down here, and the little cutout here is what we can use to gently pick up our crucible, right, and move it around. And then we can flip it over, and we can grab the lid, taking it on and off. So this is made of clay. It gets really hot, really hot, okay? So you've really got to be careful when you're heating this thing. Even when you think it's cooled, it's probably not cooled completely. In all honesty, after you are done heating it, you should probably let that thing sit for at least 5 or so minutes before you even think about trying to touch it. Okay, so the other part of this is going to be heating a crucible, right? When we go to heat a crucible, we are going to use something called a clay triangle here. So let me show you the setup here. Give me just a second.